What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to find groups on LinkedIn. So what you want to do is go to the search bar here at the top left corner on your LinkedIn homepage, and let's say I want to search for groups related to sports. So I'll write here sports, hit enter. It'll give me like general results like jobs, products, posts, and so on, and I can filter my search by clicking here on groups, choosing groups here from the tab on the left, or from the top here, the options. Let's choose groups because I want the groups option to be visible, and from here it'll show me only the groups that are related to the words that I typed. And from here, choose the group that you want, and you can click join here to join this group on LinkedIn.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.